Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of lines and angles. First question is, are these two angles 1 and 2 adjacent? No, they are not adjacent because they don't have the common vertex. Angle 1 is at this vertex, angle 2 is at the another vertex, and they are not sharing the common vertex, so they are not adjacent. Next question is, one angle is given as 55. You have to find rest of these x, y and z. As two lines are intersecting each other, so in this case, vertically opposite angles are formed. Two lines are intersecting each other, so vertically opposite angles are formed. So angle y is equal to 55 degree, that is vertically opposite angle. So angle y is equal to 55 degree, vertically opposite angle. And this y is your 55. Now we have got by vertically opposite angle. Now you have to find x and y. Here you can see that this is a straight line and angle 55 and x both are making linear pair. So can I write 55 plus x is equal to 180 linear pair. So x is equal to, so here x and 55 are on the same line, so they will form a linear pair. X is equal to 180 minus 55, that is 125. So x we have got as 125. Now here x and z are vertically opposite angle, so z is also 125, that is vertically opposite angle. Okay, so x and z are equal and y is 55, vertically opposite angle. Okay, now start this next question that I'm writing. So find all the missing angles x, y, z. Hurry up. Yes, yes. Yes, Arshia. How we will find x or y? Okay. Now the angle, three angles above the line. Lakshya, mute yourself. Three angles above the this straight line are having 180-degree, that is angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. So from here x is equal to 180 minus 65, that is 115. So this we have got as x. Now you have to find y. As you can see that this is a straight line, and on the one side of this line y plus 40 is your 180, that is linear pair. So your y is 180 minus 40, that is 140. So we have got all the missing angles of this. Is it okay? Any doubt? Right? Two pairs of complementary adjacent angles. Hurry up. Write two pairs of complementary adjacent angles. They should be complementary as well as they should be adjacent. Two pairs of supplementary adjacent angles. Two linear pairs. Hurry up. Write these answers. Done? Yes. Yes, beta bolo. Yes, Drishti. Harman. Voice is not clear, beta. Okay. Instead of writing the name, you should write angle 1 and angle 6. Angle 1 6 are complementary. No, beta. Yes, look here. 1 and 2 are complementary as well as they are adjacent. In the same way, 3 and 4. Angle 3 and 4 are making 190 degree because they are complementary as well as they are sharing the common vertex. So that means they are adjacent. Two pairs of supplementary adjacent angle. Two pairs of supplementary adjacent angle. So this angle is supplementary because it is forming 180 degree. So in this case, you will take the name AOE, AOP. AOE. Why I have not written the number? Because if I write the number, they will become 6, 1 and 2. And they are 3 angles, but I am writing pair. So in case of pair, you should have only one angle. So I have written AOB and AOE. Next is your EOD, DOB. EOD, DOB. So both the angles are supplementary as well as they are adjacent. और भी है बेटा, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है, जैसे ये स्ट्रेट लाइन थी, इसके ऊपर देखा, इसके नीचे, ये भी तो स्ट्रेट लाइन है, इसके ऊपर वाली साइड पे एफ ओ ए ओ सी, एफ ओ ए एफ ओ ए ओ सी. नेक्स्ट इस लाइन की बॉटम साइड पे देखो, एफ ओ ई ओ सी, एफ ओ सी, सॉरी एफ ओ ई एंड ई ओ सी. सो दे आर द पेयर. ये जो है ना मैंने जो लिखे हैं, इसके अलावा और भी है. मैंने एफ ओ ई लिखा, ये वाला एंगल, और ये वाला पूरा एंगल. आप पूरा और भी लिख सकते हो, सी ओ डी बी ओ एफ, ये भी बना रहा है. ऐसे बहुत सारे बन रहे हैं, कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन नहीं है, बट इट शुड फॉर्म अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस. लीनियर पेयर इटसेल्फ मींस सप्लीमेंट्री, तो इनमें से कोई भी लिख सकते हो आप. यस. If I talk about adjacent angles, only adjacent angle, then you can write 1 and 2 first pair, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6. कोई भी लिख सकते हैं. 3 4, 4 5, 5 6, 6 1. You can write any pair, beta. All are correct. Okay. Now, next question is, figure is given. I am discussing question number 14, that is of last question of 5.1. E O D A B C, ये सारे नेम्स के राइट ऑब्ट्यूज वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. एक तो वर्टिकली होता है, वर्टिकली मींस जैसे ये एंगल इसके वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. नाउ दे वांट ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल. ऑब्ट्यूज मींस इट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 90. इफ आई रब दिस लाइन, I have drawn incomplete figure. So can we say that this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle? But this is acute. Now the question is obtuse. So in case of obtuse, you will take this bigger angle. So in the first part, when obtuse vertically opposite angle is there, so your answer is AOD and BOC. AOD, BOC. They are obtuse vertically opposite angle. Next is adjacent complementary angle. Adjacent होने चाहिए और complementary भी होने चाहिए, means they should make 90 degree. As there is a line in the question, So can you say that this angle plus this angle will give you 90 degree? This angle, both the angles are giving you 90 degree. Na? So we have only one adjacent complementary angle, that is AOB and AOE. AOB and AOE. Any doubt, beta? Anyone having any doubt in this concept? Lakshay, do you have any doubt? So adjacent complementary angle are AOB and AOE because they are making sum as 90 as well as they are sharing the common vertex O. That's why they are adjacent. So we have only one pair of this. अगर यहाँ पे एक लाइन और आ जाती तो फिर ये और ये भी हो जाती क्योंकि ये these two angles are also making 90. But at this time no line is given, so you have only one. Next is equal supplementary angles. Equal होने चाहिए दो एंगल और supplementary means 90 भी हो, दोनों का सम 180 होना चाहिए. मीन्स इक्वल मीन्स 90-90 होने चाहिए. Supplementary is when you have two angles 90-90 and they will make total as 180. So can we say that these two angles are adjacent, equal भी है and supplementary भी है? So name of this angle is EOB and EOD. EOB and EOD. So these are the two angles which are equal and supplementary and adjacent also. Next is unequal supplementary angle. Unequal supplementary angle. Unequal means कोई भी चलेगा, इसको छोड़ दो. ये देखो, supplementary means they are making 90 degree. So can we take this angle and this angle? Can we take this angle? If you take BOE and EOD, they will become equal. But we want unequal angle. So BOA and AOD. BOA and AOD. So they are unequal but supplementary. Now, bottom of this line, on the below side of this line, can we say that these two angles are adjacent as well as they are supplementary? Adjacent as well as supplementary. So can I write BOC and COD? BOC, COD. Is it okay? So they are unequal and supplementary. Beta, beside these angles, we have more pairs also. ये देखो, आपने कौन से एंगल्स बताए हैं? आपने इस वाली साइड के ऊपर वाला एंगल बताया और नीचे वाला. अब एक ये भी तो स्ट्रेट लाइन है, इस लाइन के पे ऊपर भी तो एंगल बन रहे हैं, AOE EOC. तो यहाँ पे ये भी आ सकते हैं, AOE EOC. इस लाइन के नीचे भी तो आ सकते हैं, AOB BOC. Is it okay? Beta, any doubt? Any doubt? Now next is you have to answer adjacent angles, but they should not form linear pair. 180 नहीं होना चाहिए लेकिन adjacent होने चाहिए. तो adjacent तो आप कोई भी लिख सकते हो. Adjacent angles you have to write, but they should not be form linear pair. Adjacent but no linear pair. 180 नहीं होना चाहिए लेकिन adjacent होना चाहिए. तो कोई भी लिख दो. ये देखो, ये और ये adjacent है. AOB, आप इसको लिखो BOA. BOA AOE. First pair. AOE EOD. AOE EOD. They are adjacent but they are not making 180 degree. और भी है EOD DOC. EOD DOC. If you write DOC and COB, are they related to this question? DOC and COB, they are adjacent, but they are making 180 degrees. So you can't take these two angles. In the same manner, you can't take these two angles also. They are again making 180 degrees. So that's it. और भी लिख सकते हो, but it's okay if you write 2-3 pairs. Be careful about the word adjacent angle or angles. If they want angles, then you have to write more than one pair. If they have said one pair, then you will write single pair as well. So be careful about the angle or angles. Is it okay? Beta, I have discussed each and everything of this 5.1 exercise and the examples. Try these, I have discussed. If you have any doubt from anything, you can ask. Otherwise, we are going to start with the first chapter from the beginning. Yes, beta. Any doubt? Now let's start with the revision of integers. That is your chapter number 1. Integers. Yes, firstly, what do you mean by integers? Yes, anyone? What are integers? Positive number, 0, and negative number. When they are combined, there are so many positive integers. There are infinite negative integers as well. Positive integers, we have so many. Negative integers, we have infinite. And in total, the positive integers, 0 and negative numbers will form the integers. Is it okay? So draw a number line. Draw a number line and represent -7 on it. Hurry up. Draw a number line and represent -7 on it. Hurry up. Represent these numbers on the number line, on a single number line, and write them in ascending order. Have you drawn this on the number line? Have you drawn this on the number line? 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So this is your -7 and this is your 1, 2. And on the both side of number line, you have to put arrow. Draw this on the number line, this question, and write them in the ascending order from the smallest to the greatest. Hurry up. Put arrows in between. It's compulsory to put the arrow. Do you know that positive integers are always greater than the negative integer? And on the number line, the number on the right hand side are always greater than the number on the left hand side. Yes, Lakshya, can you tell me how you will write this in the ascending order? Which number will come at the first place? Yes. Minus 8. Okay, so this is the ascending form, and in the same manner you must have drawn the number line. I am making a number line. You please all check your answer whether you have drawn it in a correct order or not. It's compulsory to put the arrow. This is 0 on the left, -1, -2, -3, -4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Arrow is compulsory. This is your minus 8, minus 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is your 7, 4, 3. So all the numbers that were given in the question I have circled. Is it okay? Now write the additive inverse of 3. Additive inverse of 3, that is minus 3. Additive inverse of 1 by 4. Additive inverse of 0. Additive inverse of minus 7. Hurry up. Write down the answers. As it is clear from the name, additive inverse means reverse of addition. Addition का reverse क्या होता है? Minus. Add में है minus. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Its additive inverse will be same. Additive inverse of minus 7 will be 7. Now write the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 7. Multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 4. मल्टीप्लीकेटिव इनवर्स मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई का रिवर्स इनवर्स. मल्टीप्लाई का इनवर्स होता है डिवाइड, तो इसको डिवाइड करके क्या हो जाएगा 7 by 1. इसका क्या हो जाएगा 1 upon minus 4, और यू कैन राइट minus 1 by 4. Is it okay? Now write one more question. Multiply additive inverse of 7 with multiplicative inverse of minus 7. Hurry up. Multiply additive inverse of 7 with the multiplicative inverse of minus 7. And tell me the answer. Additive inverse of 7 is minus 7. Multiplicative inverse of minus 7 is minus 1 by 7. We want to multiply them. Both will cancel out. Answer is 1. Is it okay? Add multiplicative inverse of 5 with multiplicative inverse of minus 7. Add करना है. You have to add the multiplicative inverse of 5 with the multiplicative inverse of minus 7. Multiplicative inverse of 5 is 1 by 5. Multiplicative inverse of minus 7 is minus 1 by 7. You have to add them. How you will add them? Plus minus minus, you will take LCM. LCM is 35. So 35 divided by 5 will give you 7. 35 divided by 7 will give you 5. Answer is 2 by 35. Write its reciprocal. It is not given in the question, but it can be added like this. Write the reciprocal of 2 by 35. That is 35 by 2. Is this which type of fraction is this? As you can see that numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is improper fraction. So can we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction? Yes, we can convert. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 by 2. So this is the mixed fraction of this 35 by 2. Is it clear? So keep this thing in mind. Improper fraction can be converted into mixed. Mixed can be converted into improper, but proper fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator, they cannot be divided because the numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, beta.